everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing the end of the month Boxy Charm review. So like I said, we are doing the end of the month Boxy Charm review, and if let's just recap, it was the Making Waves box, and I'll be ending up getting a few items, and I will show you everything just so you remember what I got in the box. So I ended up getting the Glam Glow, and this was the daily conditioning cleanser for your face, and I will say I have loved this.
Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me gotta move on. Keep it together for.
Absolutely loved it. It made my face feel wonderful and smooth, and I definitely recommend this. I think it is amazing. There's absolutely no scent to it whatsoever, and it has not irritated my face at all. I have been going through some of my products that have completely like broken me out and made me feel like horrible, honestly, but this has not done that. So when I'm out of this might be something that I might consider rebuying again, but we will see, because we get so many great products in our boxes, in our subscription boxes. But I have definitely really loved this. And let's go back, and this did retail for $28. Just to a little recap so you remember how much it cost. So the next thing I got in my box was this Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow by Ciate London.
Someone told me gotta move on. Keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love, then there's no lost. Whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just
and I am wearing it today on my eyes, and I just put a little bit on my inner corners. It's really pretty. With this, I did find out though, if you use it from the wand, it gets too clumpy. So the best trick with this was that I found out is that you just want to put it on your finger like this, and then put it on your eye so you don't get clumpy. You cannot put too many layers of this on though, because it will like start breaking away. But I have tried this with a purple shade, and I have also tried it with the pink, and I will say I don't know if I would use this all the time, but it will definitely be nice to put in my collection and pull out when I just want a little bit of a pop and a little more dramatic eye. And the next thing I got, oh my gosh, I love this. I got the Mellow Brow Definer, and this was $18, and that is, it's got one side has a little spoolie, and the other side has this little, it's like a little square tip, and it really works. So for me and my brows, I have absolutely loved this. I think this is one of my favorite eye products that I have gotten so far.
I don't feel anything, don't feel anything. Someone told me, dance it off. Don't you know we're all disposable? It don't matter. Break up.
And I have been grabbing this every single day, because I have had this box now for about 2 weeks, and I've been trying the products, and this is something that I absolutely love, and I do not want to put this in a declutter video, because I am going to use the crap out of this until we get something better. And if we don't get something better, it might be something that I'm going to repurchase in the near future. And the next thing we got is the Alamar blush palette, and I got it in Fair, The colors are Castaway, Pars Q, and Scorcher. And I am wearing it today. I am absolutely in love with this. This has been the blush that I have used every day for the last almost 2 weeks. I'm really right now into the pink shade and the Scorcher shade, and I just end up mixing them together and putting them on my cheeks. But let's do a little swatch. And there they are right there. They are beautiful, and especially for summer. I've really enjoyed it for summer.
Lost, whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him.
So there is that. So like I said, this I think is my favorite thing that we got in this month's box. And it was one of my favorite products that I got last summer too in a Boxycharm. I got the Alamore palette too, the eyeshadow palette, and I'm in love with it. So now the one thing I absolutely do not like is this Dose of Colors lipstick. I have tried this so many times. I got it in the color Berry Me.
I don't feel anything, don't feel anything.
I do not have it on today because every time I wear this, it's too much. It ends up all over my face. It is way too dark for me. So I think this is something that I am going to be decluttering or passing on to somebody else. It looks beautiful on the hand, but I cannot pull it off. Hey guys, just a little input on this lipstick. It is so like patchy and runny, and I don't know if I like it. So I had to sit back down here and just like look at it. I will definitely put some lip gloss on this, but like I don't know. First of all, the color is so bright for me, and I'm not used to wearing stuff like that. You probably never see me wear anything like this on my channel. It's not horrible, but like it is like just getting everywhere. It's like setting in my fine line and wrinkles, and as you noticed in the video, you'll see that it was like going in my fine line and wrinkles, and it was not good. Did you guys get this shade? Did you guys have any problems with it? Did you get another shade and it works very well for you? Because for me, this was absolutely, it was horrendous, and I don't even want, like I said, if I can't find someone to take it, I am going to just throw it away, because it's not something that I will trend to get and keep wanting to use in my box. Let me know what you guys think about this, because this is the only thing in the box that I'm not excited about. And I was excited about getting this, but now I'm like, I don't know. So, but I thought this month was great. I'm looking forward. So next month is Boxy Lux month, and we will be I'm just wiping it off because it literally like it stains on me. But like I said, next month is Boxy Lux. Are you guys getting Boxy Lux, or are you guys sticking to your normal Boxycharm? Let me know in the comments section below, and let me know what you guys are doing, because I'm excited. I know a few spoilers about what we're getting, but I'm not exactly sure about all of it. And I hope you guys will subscribe to this channel and ring the bell, and that means you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you. And I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.